Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying where the auto voice lives and why it exists. Synthesize TTS, pitch shift, or layered effects. Open your DAW or editor and import a duplicate of the original. This protects the master. Once done, solo the suspect track and play a short section while scanning for artifacts like robotic cadence, heavy formant shifts, or uniform dynamics. Make notes on exact timestamps and any plugin inserts. This targeted approach lets you remove processing without degrading the. You will now analyze signal chain and spectrum to find the culprit. Start by bypassing each insert effect in sequence. If the voice shifts naturally when a plugin is off, that plugin is your target. Use an EQ in spectral mode to locate narrowband stabilizers or locked harmonics and apply a surgical notch to reduce them. If pitch correction is active, lower retune speed or switch to humanize mode rather than removing outright. This preserves timing while restoring natural variation. Finish by refining what you changed so the voice sounds natural in context. You should use broad, gentle EQ to restore body, light compression with slow attack to keep breaths, and a de-esser to tame sibilance introduced by fixes. Make sure to /B compare with the original copy and render short exports to check on different devices. If the auto artifacts remain, revert to the duplicate and try surgical crossfades or manual pitch editing. Troubleshooting this way prevents accidental destructive edits.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.